Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. This is Mrs. Lawson. We will be going over information about Bear Says Thanks, a book we will be reading during class. The author of the book is Karma Wilson. The book is illustrated by Jane Chapman, and the book was published September 2012. Vocabulary words to know would be cupboard, a cabinet with shelves used for storing things. The word bare, which is also another word for empty. Delectable is also a word for delicious or something yummy. As you can tell, I have also put some pictures there to give you an idea about the definitions of the words, of the vocabulary words. Some more vocabulary words to know would be hare. A hare is like a rabbit, but it's larger, and its fur changes throughout the year. Another word would be trump. To walk heavily, like stomping your feet. As you can see, there's a picture of kids stomping their feet, or trumping. Feast is a big meal with different kinds of food to eat. Plot summary. Bear is bored and missing his friends. Bear wants to make a feast, but his cupboard is empty. Bear's friends then stop by his cave with many different foods to eat. Key details and main characters. Every time his friends bring a food dish, Bear says thanks. Because that would be the nice thing to say, because you want to show appreciation, when someone gives you something. But then Bear feels sad because his cupboard is bare and he has no food to share with his friends. Bear's friends tell him he can share his stories with them instead. The main characters in Bear Says Thanks are Bear, Mouse, Hare, Badger, Gopher, Mole, Raven, Owl, and Wren. And I have a picture of all the characters there for you. Things to think about are that it is very important to say thanks to those who give you something or do something kind or nice for you. It is very important to show that you are appreciative. So that will be all. I hope you like the story after we read it in class. See you soon.